Hello everyone, welcome back to Office Insight channel, your go-to destination for all things Microsoft Office. I am Nasser and today I am going to show you how to change the ruler measurement system in Microsoft Word. Alright, let's dive right in. First thing first, make sure you have Microsoft Word open up on your screen. Now to add the ruler to your document, if it's not already there, simply navigate to the View tab at the top of the window and check box next to the ruler. Perfect. Now that we have ruler visible, let's proceed to change the measurement system. Follow these steps. Go to the File menu at the top left corner of the window. So click File. On the left side, there's a menu bar. Select Options from the left bottom, and there will be a dialog box opened up. In the Word Option dialog box, click the Advanced tab on the left-hand side. Scroll down to Display section. Show measurements in units off. There's a drop-down menu. Select that. Here you can select your preferred measurement unit. You can choose between centimeter, millimeter, inches, and points. In this case, we will select inches. Once you have selected your desired measurement unit, click OK. And there you go. We just successfully changed the ruler system in the Microsoft Word. Now the ruler will display measurement according to your chosen unit system. That's all from today, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Office Insight channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.